First, grab a plate. I'm using a paper plate. I know they're bad for the environment, but I'd rather put a gun in my mouth than do another dish. Next up, the bread. I ran out of the good pieces of bread, so I have to use those weird end pieces. Not ideal, but we'll make it work. Next up, grab your peanut butter. I don't currently have the top to my peanut butter, because I'm using it as an ashtray. Now that you got your peanut butter, grab a utensil and start spreading. I'm using a plastic fork because, like I said, I refuse to do dishes ever again in my f***ing life, and I ran out of plastic knives. I know some of you in the comments section would complain about me using plastic, but I bet you wouldn't say that to my face in real life. If this shit ends and we go outside again, I dare you to step up to me in the street. Try me! Try me! Step up, you f***ing pussies! You think I'm f***ing wrong? There you have it, the perfect peanut butter sandwich.